Good morning, students. Welcome to English class.
In our today's session, we are going to discuss the next tense, that is past perfect tense. But before proceeding further, we will recapitulate past continuous or progressive tense. Past continuous or progressive tense is used to describe an action that was in progress at a specific time in past. For example, I was playing. Here I is the subject, was is the helping verb, playing is the main verb. So, whenever continuous or progressive tense is given, we always use ing with main verb. So, our rule is subject plus was were plus present or original form of verb plus ing. Students, now let's begin with our topic of the day, that is past perfect tense. By the end of this video, you will be able to learn that what is past perfect tense, usage of past perfect tense, rules for using past perfect tense, and identification of past perfect tense in a sentence.
Now observe the following sentences. I wish I had told the truth. She had established her company before 2008. So students, what kind of actions are these? These are the actions that are already completed in the past. So here comes our today's topic, that what is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to refer to actions that took place and were completed in the past. For example, I had played. Now in this sentence, the action took place and was completed in the past, that I had already played. The action is finished in the past, so it is past perfect tense. Secondly, he had played. Similarly, in this sentence also, the action took place and completed in the past, so it is past perfect tense. Students, now we will discuss about the usage of past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to express the past action already finished when another past action happened. For example, when she arrived, the bus had already left. Now in this sentence, the first past action is she arrived, and the second past action that it already finished is the bus had already left. That means one past action has been completed before another action in the past was started. Now let us understand with the help of more examples. Number 1. She had cleaned the room when I got home yesterday. In this sentence, she had cleaned is the first past action, and when I got home yesterday is the second past action. It means she had already cleaned the room when I got home yesterday. The action had been completed in the past, so it is past perfect tense. John had started the music before I arrived. They had considered that option before signing the contract. In both of these sentences also, there are two past actions taking place in the past, so they are past perfect tenses. So students, there are some keywords with which you can easily identify the first usage of past perfect tense in a sentence, like before, after, already, just, yet, until, till, as soon as, when, and by the time. So students, now we will discuss about the second usage of past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to describe actions that started in the past and continued up to a given time in the past. For example, The bell had already rung at 10 a.m. Now, in this sentence, the bell started ringing in the past and it completed its action in the past at 10 a.m. So, it is a past perfect tense. See some more examples. She had gone to Paris last week. The team had practiced all day yesterday. I had slept well last night. Now, in all the sentences, the action started in the past and got completed in the past up to a given time, like in first sentence, last week, in second sentence, yesterday, and in third sentence, last night. So all of them are past perfect tenses. So students, now we will discuss some rules related to past perfect tense. So observe the following sentences. She had finished the test. I had lived in London before I moved to Paris. Now, in both the sentences, the action started in the past and got completed in the past, so they are past perfect tenses. The basic rule we use in the past perfect tenses:
subject plus had plus past participle form of verb plus object. Like in the first example, she is the subject plus had plus finished. Finished is the past participle form of verb plus object, and object here is the test.
Similarly, in the second sentence, I is the subject, had plus lived. Lived is a past participle form of verb. In London before I moved to Paris is an object. Students, you have to remember that in past perfect tense, we always use had as a helping verb, and with had, always past participle form of verb comes. So we used had lived, had finished in both the sentences. So with all the pronouns, whether they are first person, second person, or third person, or singular or plural subjects, we always use had as a helping verb, and with had, always past participle form of verb comes, and in the last, the object is there.
Similarly, she had visited her sister yesterday. The meeting had already started by the time I arrived. He had gone to the coffee shop last night. In all these sentences, we have used had as a helping verb, and with had, we have used past participle form of verb like had visited, had already started, and had gone. So the basic rule is subject plus had plus past participle form of verb plus object. So students, now we will do some exercises related to past perfect tense. Fill in the blanks with verbs in past perfect tense. Number 1. She dashed in China before she went to Thailand. Lived. Now in this sentence, there are two past actions and also before is a keyword. So, she had lived in China before she went to Thailand. Number 2. He dashed her somewhere before. It is a past action that started in the past and got completed in the past. So, he had met her somewhere before. Number 3. I dashed extremely hard before the exam. Study. This is also the past action that started in the past and got completed in the past. And in past perfect tense, we always use had as a helping verb plus past participle form of verb. So, I had studied extremely hard before the exam. Number 4. The storm destroyed the castle that we dash build. The storm destroyed the castle that we had built. We have used had plus past participle form of verb, that is had built. Number 5. He was fired because he dashed some documents. Give away. He was fired because he had given away some documents. Students, now come to next exercise. Complete the paragraph with past perfect tense. Last week I dashed a lottery ticket from the shopping mall. Buy. We are talking about the action that took last week and got completed in the last week only. So, I had bought a lottery ticket from the shopping mall. I put the ticket in the pocket of my jacket and dashed home. I put the ticket in the pocket of my jacket and had gone home. With had we have used gone means past participle form of verb. When I went home, I dashed about the ticket. Forget. When I went home, I had forgotten about the ticket. The next day, I got into my car and dashed to work. Drive. The next day, I got into my car and had driven to work. Had plus past participle form of verb. On my way to work, I suddenly remembered the lottery ticket and felt that I dashed it. Lost. And felt that I had lost it. Students, as you can see in the whole paragraph, we have used past perfect tense because the action began in the last week and got completed in the last week only. So students, today we have learned that what is past perfect tense, usage of past perfect tense, rules for using past perfect tense, and identification of past perfect tense in a sentence. I hope you all are cleared with the chapter. Now follow the schedule in your SNAP homework and solve the exercises. Thank you.